Let's talk about the iPhone, a device that has truly revolutionized the mobile landscape. It's more than just a phone. It's become a cultural icon, a symbol of innovation and connectivity. It wasn't the first smartphone, that's for sure, but it nailed the formula. It redefined what a smartphone could be. It was a phone, an iPod, an internet browser, all in one sleek device. But the real magic? It was the seamless integration of hardware and software working in perfect harmony. And then there's Apple's ecosystem. Your iPhone, Mac, iPad, and watch all work together effortlessly, creating a seamless digital experience. Take a photo on your phone and almost magically, it's instantly available on your laptop. Start a message on your phone and you can pick up right where you left off and finish it on your watch. This level of convenience and interconnectedness keeps people loyal to the Apple brand. The iPhone didn't just change phones, it reshaped the entire mobile landscape. It created entirely new industries, most notably the App Store, and fundamentally changed how we communicate, how we work, and how we play. The word app became a household word, and that's largely thanks to the iPhone's influence. When you see an iPhone, you're not just seeing a phone, you're seeing years of meticulous refinement and a core design philosophy that's always focused on delivering both simplicity and power in equal measure. It's a device that just works, seamlessly and intuitively. It's designed for everyone, from tech beginners to seasoned professionals. And in today's increasingly complicated tech world, that inherent simplicity is king. And that's precisely why the iPhone continues to stand at the very top of the smartphone market. Now let's take a peek inside the iPhone and explore what makes it tick. We often focus on the sleek exterior, but the real magic lies beneath the surface. It's a world of intricate components, meticulously arranged and working in perfect harmony. The camera system is a standout, a true marvel of engineering. It's not just about megapixels, it's about the entire imaging pipeline. Apple's focus on computational photography is what truly elevates the iPhone camera experience. They're leveraging the power of AI and machine learning to enhance every shot. This focus means great photos, not just big specs. It's about creating images that are vibrant, detailed, and true to life, regardless of the lighting conditions. Features like portrait mode, with its stunning depth of field effects, and night mode, which captures incredible detail in low-light environments, use smart software to make your shots look amazing, even if you're not a professional photographer. The iPhone handles the complex processing behind the scenes, so you can focus on capturing the moment. Beyond the camera, the build quality is premium. High-end materials like stainless steel, known for its strength and corrosion resistance, and ceramic shield, which offers exceptional drop protection, make it durable and sleek. It's a device that feels substantial in your hand, built to withstand the rigors of daily life while maintaining its elegant aesthetic. Water and dust resistance? Standard. You don't have to worry about splashes or accidental spills. Apple's A-series Bionic chips are custom designed, giving them a unique advantage in performance and efficiency. This design makes the phone fast and efficient, allowing for demanding tasks like gaming and video editing to be handled with ease. Because Apple controls both hardware and software, they can optimize every aspect of the user experience. This control means everything works together smoothly, creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. The result? A phone that feels fast and responsive, even if the specs aren't always the biggest on paper. It's about real-world performance, not just numbers. Battery life used to be a weak spot for iPhones, a common complaint among users. But now, thanks to efficient chips and smart software that intelligently manages power consumption, iPhones last all day, even with heavy usage. Apple doesn't just add a bigger battery to solve the problem, they make the whole system more efficient, optimizing every process to minimize power drain. It's this holistic approach to design and engineering, from camera to chip to battery, that truly sets the iPhone apart. It's this approach that makes the iPhone reliable and dependable, a device you can count on day in and day out. Every part is carefully designed and integrated to work together seamlessly, creating a harmonious user experience. That's what sets it apart from the competition, and makes it a truly exceptional smartphone. The display is your window to everything, and Apple's screens are top tier. Retina and now Super Retina XDR OLED displays mean sharp text, vibrant colors, and true blacks. Each pixel lights up individually, giving you incredible contrast and lifelike images. Pro models feature ProMotion, up to 120 Hz refresh rates for ultra-smooth scrolling and animations. The display adapts to what you're doing, saving battery when you're not moving. Apple tunes their screens for color accuracy, so what you see is what you get, crucial for creatives. True Tone adjusts white balance to your environment, making reading easier on your eyes. It's not just about specs, it's about a premium, comfortable viewing experience. Once you use an iPhone display, it's hard to go back. The screen is more than a feature. It's a reason people love the iPhone. It's your digital world, made beautiful. At the heart of every iPhone is the A-series Bionic chip, Apple's secret weapon. By designing their own processors, Apple achieves unmatched performance and efficiency. The chip isn't just fast, it's smart, with a neural engine for AI tasks like Face ID and computational photography. This efficiency means iPhones don't need the biggest batteries, they just last longer. iOS and the chip work together to manage power, intelligently switching between high performance and energy saving. The result? All-day battery life, smooth gaming, instant photo processing, and lag-free video editing. It's not about numbers, it's about real-world speed and reliability. The A-series chip is why iPhones feel fast and last long. It's the engine behind every great iPhone experience. That's true innovation. iOS is the other half of the iPhone's magic. From day one, it's been about simplicity, easy to pick up, easy to use. The App Store changed everything, making apps safe and easy to find. Apple's strict app guidelines mean a consistent, high-quality experience. Because Apple controls hardware and software, iOS runs flawlessly smooth animations, instant touch response, and rock-solid stability. The ecosystem is the glue handoff, AirDrop, and universal clipboard, make all your Apple devices work as one. Copy on your iPhone, paste on your Mac. AirPods switch automatically between devices. Once you're in, the convenience is hard to leave. It's a unified, seamless experience. That's what makes iOS and the iPhone so compelling, it just works. Security isn't just a feature for Apple, something they added as an afterthought. It's a fundamental foundation. It's woven into the very fabric of the device, influencing every design decision and engineering choice. It's the bedrock upon which the entire iPhone experience is built. The Secure Enclave, built directly into every iPhone chip, is a dedicated hardware-based security system. It keeps your sensitive Face ID and Touch ID data, the keys to your digital kingdom, locked down and heavily encrypted. It's like a vault within a vault, ensuring maximum protection. Your biometric info, the unique signature that is you, never leaves your device. It remains under your control, always. Apple gives you ultimate control. Apps must explicitly ask for your permission to access your data, ensuring transparency and preventing unwanted intrusions. And with app tracking transparency, you are firmly in charge of who gets to track your online activity. You decide who gets access and who doesn't. End-to-end encryption rigorously protects your messages and your private FaceTime calls. Only you and the intended recipient can read or hear them. Your conversations remain private and secure. Even sensitive iCloud data, like your passwords and your personal health info, is meticulously encrypted, safeguarding your most personal details. Features like Mail Privacy Protection and Safari's comprehensive privacy report give you clear insight and greater control over your ever-growing digital footprint. Apple's carefully designed, multi-layered approach, from the very core of the hardware to the intuitive software, makes the iPhone one of the most secure and trustworthy devices you can own in today's digital landscape. In a world where your privacy truly matters, where data breaches are commonplace, that level of security brings invaluable peace of mind. Because security is meticulously built in, right from the start, not simply bolted on as an afterthought. So why does the iPhone just work? It's the harmony of premium hardware, smart software, and a powerful ecosystem. Apple's vertical integration means everything is designed to work together, delivering polish, performance, and reliability. The camera, display, chip, and battery aren't just specs, they're experiences you feel every day. iOS and the App Store add simplicity and endless possibilities. The ecosystem ties it all together, making your devices feel like one. And with security at its core, you can trust your data is safe. That's the formula: power, simplicity, and privacy. For millions, that's why the iPhone just works.